Simplified's content calendar is the all-in-one tool you need to help you organize all of your social media in one place and collaborate easily with your team. Today, I'm going to show you how to communicate and comment with your team within your drafts. Let's begin by hovering our mouse over the content calendar icon and then choosing Content Planner. From this drop-down menu, make sure you're selecting Drafts. Here you can see all the different accounts that are connected to your content calendar. Here we can see that my Facebook, Instagram, and Google My Business is included. And if I want to include my Twitter draft posts as well, simply click the icon, and once it's highlighted, it will be included in the drafts that you see on this page. Here we can see a post that's in my draft page. I'm going to scroll down and then I'm going to choose this comment icon. From here, I can comment and tag other people on my team, write in my comment, then hit comment, and now everyone on my team can see this comment. If you select this three-dot icon, you can resolve the comment, edit your comment, and even delete your comment in just a click. You can reply to a team's comment by clicking this button here, and then responding. In this drop-down menu, you can see your unresolved comments. You can also choose resolved comments to see the history of your resolved comments within this draft post. Staying organized and communicating with your team is easy with Simplified's content calendar. To use our social media features and more, sign up on simplified.com. See you there.